Introducing Caseware ReviewComp, a cloud-based workflow purpose-built for reviews and compilations for both international and Canadian engagements. Getting started is quick and intuitive. Set up your file in minutes. Once you select your engagement type, ReviewComp structures the file to the applicable workflow automatically. Bringing in your client's data takes just a few clicks. Pull trial balance data from common data connectors including Xero or QuickBooks. Import via Excel or CSV from any desktop system, keeping your team focused on the engagement rather than the setup. ReviewComp identifies areas of likely material misstatement and link each one directly to the procedures being performed, so your documentation is clear, complete, and supportable. Verity, ReviewComp's built-in AI assistant, gives you instant answers about your engagement, from financial highlights to risk areas to status to outstanding documents, all without leaving the file. For review engagements, the built-in Analytics Hub surfaces unusual items, infrequent posting patterns, and complex account combinations automatically. Use those insights to go into client conversations with targeted, evidence-backed questions, rather than working from a generic checklist. ReviewComp's built-in client portal lets you manage all PBC requests and document exchanges in one place, keeping your team and your clients aligned throughout the engagement. Notifications, status tracking, and direct file uploads make back and forth effortless. ReviewComp keeps your entire team in one cloud file. Prepare work papers, flag issues, complete manager reviews, and track engagement status in real time, with no check-in or check-out required. As you complete the compilation, ReviewComp compiles the financial statement information in real time, including balance sheet and income statement. Discover the future of review and compilation engagements. Start your free trial today.